A Manhattan family is looking for some answers in the mysterious choking death of their son. Was it a case of gross negligence or a tragic mistake? Howard Thompson is here now with more in tonight's Help Me Howard report. Howard.
Katie, thank you. You're about to hear the story of Abram Dweck. He spent most of his life in the care of the New York City Association for the Help of Retarded Children. On December 31st of last year, something went horribly wrong. The family says the blame lies squarely on the shoulders of those professionals who were responsible for his care. Here's the Help Me Howard report.
My brother Abram was the sweetest person you can imagine. Always had a smile on his face, was always very good-natured, tried to interact with everyone, was friendly and as social as he could be.
56-year-old Abram Dweck survived the horrors of the infamous Willowbrook institution back in the 1970s. In 1973, he was transferred to the Manhattan Developmental Center. When he was 15, he was placed in the care of the Association for the Health of Retarded Children and resided here at the Krause House on the Lower East Side since 1975. On December 31st, 2007, Abram Dweck died when he choked on a ham sandwich. Finding out how this tragedy occurred will not be an easy process. In 1994, Abram suffered a stroke, and the resulting side effects limited his ability to chew. He was placed on a restricted diet of soft food. October 9th, 2007, Abram's sister, Dr. Monica Dweck, is finishing her day at Long Island College Hospital.
And as I was leaving the hospital through the ambulatory surgery unit, I happened to glance to my left after I checked on my own patient and did a double take because I saw my brother. I talked to the lady who was with him, his aide, who was at the hospital with him, and I said, well, why is he here? And she said, well, he was supposed to get his teeth cleaned. I said, he's here getting his teeth cleaned? And she said, that's what was supposed to happen, but they took out 6 of his teeth. And she proceeded to show me where the teeth had been removed.
I was amazed, and I was very upset because I had not been told that he would have any extractions.
No family member ever requested or gave the consent?
Absolutely not.
Did you ask anybody who made the decision to pull Abram's teeth?
Yes, it was the dentist. They told me it was the dentist.
Do you have that dentist's name?
No, I do not. It seems it's very difficult to get the dentist's name.
According to the case notes obtained by Channel 11, for a 2-month period prior to his death, Abram was taken from his home here at the Krause residence to the Fisher Adult Daycare Center with inappropriate food. It happened on 6 different occasions. Also, according to the case notes, on October 10th, 2007, when the residence manager was asked why Abram's teeth were pulled, the residence manager didn't know the answer. As a matter of fact, nobody has the answer to that question, except perhaps the dentist, and the family has not been told who that person is. December 31st, 2007. Abram's day begins like all of the others. He is transported from his residence on the Lower East Side to the Fisher Daycare Center in Upper Manhattan. In his lunchbox is a ham sandwich. According to the EMT's report, when they arrived, Abram had been down and unconscious for 10 minutes.
They were told he had been down for 10 minutes, and when they got there, there was no resuscitation being done, and there was no evidence that resuscitation had even been attempted.
Bonita Zelman is the family attorney.
How dare they not communicate with Mildred Dweck when they caused Abram's teeth to be pulled without her permission or consent? How dare they not communicate with Mildred Dweck when they saw that Abram Dweck had choked on a ham sandwich due to them feeding him the wrong food?
They were well aware of what they were supposed to do. Excuse me.
It's okay. It's okay.
They were well aware of it, and they really fell down on the job.
Now, for its part, the New York City Association for the Help of Retarded Children would only say this was a tragic incident, and because of the pending litigation, they cannot comment. If you have a problem or a story that needs to be told, you can send me an email to helpme@cw11.com, or you can call my hotline at 212-210-2490. We're always waiting to hear from you. Jim, Katie?
Really sad. Thank you, Howard.